Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show, I'm going to demonstrate how you can upload your assignment in Microsoft Teams. First of all, I'm going to demonstrate for Android mobile users. What you have to do is you have to open your Teams account, and if you are on any other tab, just go to Teams and go to the team which where you have got your assignment. Like I've got my assignment demo subject wise assessment. I'll go to the general channel of it and then see this is the assignment subjective assessment July 20th. I will just view the assignment, click on it. This is my question paper that I have to solve. Test paper for demo, I'll just click on it. The PDF will appear in front of me. These are the questions that I have to solve. Now I will write the answers of these questions in my notebook, and then once I'm done, I have written my answers already. So now what I'm going to do, I have to upload. So for uploading, first of all, I will need to click the photograph of the answer sheet. So I'm going to do that. You can click it using your mobile camera. I have seen, see, I've got assignment of 2 pages. So I will click photograph of both the pages. Make sure that the photograph is readable. Okay. I've clicked both the photographs. I'll go back, open Teams again. And now I will click on this add work. When I click on this add work, I get these options upload from this device. Since my files are in my mobile, so I will click on upload from this device, and the recent documents will pop up in front of me. So these are the 2 photographs which I just clicked. They're appearing on top of it. So first of all, I'll select my page 1 and upload. I will wait for it to upload. See, it is getting uploaded. Now I have one more page to my answer sheet. So I will click on this add work, and I will click on upload from this device, and see I will click upload my second page of it. Now see, I have uploaded both my pages. What I have to do is I'll make sure that all the pages have been uploaded, and then I will click on this hand in button. If I don't click on this hand in button, my assignment will not be submitted. My teacher will not be able to see my assignment until I hand in. The option could be hand in some mobile phones or turn in. For laptop and desktop users, the option is called as turn in. So in my mobile, I will just click on this hand in button, and my subjective handed in Sunday 19. So my assignment has been uploaded. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how to upload the same assignment you for the mobile laptop or desktop users. I have my assignment in my. I have clicked the photograph of my assignment, and I have transferred my assignment to my computer or laptop. Now I will just open Teams, and as you can see, my demo subject wise assignment upload team is there. I will click on the team and click on my assignment. I will click on view assignment. In laptop also, if I want to see the assignment, I will just click on test paper for demo, and as you can see that I can just zoom in using this button. Now I can see the paper. I have to write down the answers of these 2 questions. Once I've done writing down the papers, I'll click on close, and now I click on add work. To add work, you can add all your answer sheet. I've already transferred all my work to my computer or desktop. I will click on upload from this device, and I will assignment page 1. I will select this and let it upload. Now click on done, and there are 2 more pages to it. I will click on add work, upload from this device. I'll select the next page, page 2 of my assignment. Click on done, and then again I will click on add work, upload from device. So I have to repeat this process until all my files have been uploaded. I'll select the page 3 of my assignment, and now I'll click on done. Right. So in this way you don't need to convert any photo to PDF or something like that. In whatever files you have, you can upload your assignments. But remember that once you have uploaded all the necessary files or the answer scripts, don't forget to click on turn in. Until you turn in or hand in your assignment, your teacher will not be able to see your assignment. So please remember to turn in the assignment. I will click on turn in and see my assignment has been successfully submitted. Thank you for watching till now, and I hope you'll find it helpful. All the best. Thank you very much.